In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your team's NBA basketball schedule to Google Calendar. If you're an avid basketball fan, keeping track of your favorite team's games directly in your personal calendar can be a real game changer, and I'm here to help you do just that in a few simple steps. To get started, open your internet browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find a little gear icon. That's your settings button. Click on it to open the drop down menu and select settings. This is where you'll manage various features of your calendar, allowing you to personalize your Google Calendar to better suit your needs. Next, look to the left hand menu where you'll find an option labeled Add Calendar. This section allows you to explore various calendar options that you can integrate into your own. Clicking this will present several choices, and it's your ticket to adding additional calendars of interest. From here, find and click on Browse Calendars of Interest. This is where Google offers a plethora of pre-made calendars for holidays, religious observances, and most notably for us, sports. Once inside the Browse Calendars of Interest section, scroll down until you spot the Sports category. This part is a goldmine for sports enthusiasts because it includes schedules for various sports leagues. We're focusing on basketball today, so go ahead and click on basketball. This will expand your choices to include leagues around the world. Navigate to the NBA section because that's where all the North American basketball action takes place. You'll see a list of all NBA teams. This is where you get to select your favorite team. Simply tick the checkbox next to the team you want to follow. By selecting this, you're essentially adding their game schedule to your calendar, making it much easier to keep track of upcoming games. Once your team is selected, an automatic integration of all their games with precise details like times and dates will be reflected in your Google Calendar. Now that you've added the schedule, you'll want to return to your calendar view. You can do this by clicking the back arrow or the Google Calendar logo at the top left of the screen. Once you're back, check the left side of your screen under Other Calendars. You should see your team's calendar listed there. Make sure the box next to their name is checked. This will ensure that all their games are visible on your calendar. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully integrated your NBA team's schedule into your Google Calendar. Enjoy staying updated and never miss a game again.